Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of UnPod, your go-to podcast for the latest in the world of AI. Today, we will talk on General Assembly adopts landmark resolution on artificial intelligence. The UN General Assembly on Thursday adopted a landmark resolution on promotion of safe, secure, and trustworthy artificial intelligence system that will also benefit sustainable development for all. Adopting a United States-led draft resolution without a vote, the Assembly also highlighted the respect, protection, and promotion of human rights in the design, development, deployment, the use of AI. The text was co-sponsored or backed by more than 120 other member states. The General Assembly also recognized AI systems' potential to accelerate and enable progress towards reaching the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. It represents the first time the Assembly has adopted a resolution on regulating the emerging field. The US National Security Advisor reportedly said earlier this month that the adoption would represent an historic step forward for the safe use of AI. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. We will have a new episode coming soon. Thank you.